As part of our customer success series, today we are going to talk about Magna, a global automotive supplier. Magna is one of the largest international auto suppliers with 328 manufacturing facilities, 99 plus product development centers, and sales offices located throughout 29 different nations. Magna uses Android-based Kiosk devices on their production line to achieve operational efficiency. However, there were certain challenges they faced during this process, such as anyone could access these devices. Members of any department could access any application without authority. Employees could access non-work related applications on these devices. Magna was looking for a one-stop solution for its diverse niche of challenges, a solution that could help them monitor and provide complete control over the deployed devices. After evaluating several solutions, Magna chose Scalefusion MDM solution to mitigate the challenges and lock down their devices into a kiosk. Scalefusion Kiosk mode helped Magna lock their devices into a single lab or a multi-app mode, restricting access to non-business applications. The IT admins were able to monitor the health and performance of these devices through Scalefusion's user-friendly dashboard and device DeepDive. Additionally, the IT admins were able to create device groups and share access according to the departments. Working with Scalefusion MDM solution helped Magna in improving the productivity of its employees, securely lock its devices into kiosk mode, centralized app and content management, reduce data and IT support cost, and improve management and monitoring of all its Android devices.